What up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. We are on our way to Vegas right now, and as you can see, it's just for my husband and I. We don't have the kids with us. It's gonna be like a little honeymoon that my husband and I are doing. So yeah, so we'll see you guys when we get to Vegas. Was that guy waiting for you? He had a handicap. Eh? I know you're not handicapped, but there's a person right there. Oh my god, someone's staring. Have that at too.
In Oregon, they have
Okay, so we stopped at this like store, right? Like this, like that's on the strip, and they be overpricing these damn shoes. Like that boot over there. Son de los pinches callejones, like literally that's where they bring this stuff from. $125 for that boot. I'm not done there yet, okay? Look at this guy. Okay, look at it. Guess how much it is. Almost 10 grand. Are you fucking kidding me? Like that is way too much. It's overpriced. Guess where we came, y'all?
Huh?
The famous tacos. El
Tacos of Gordito.
We got Babe, Diana, and Santiago.
What's happening?
Oh my God, there's a lot of people.
That's normal. Pásenle a mi taquería.
Your taqueria. Oh my God, there's a lot of people. I thought you said it wasn't gonna be packed.
What?
I thought you said it was gonna be packed. People, y'all. Hey guys, so we're back in the hotel room. It is already pretty damn late. I mean, it's already 12:02. I mean, look at my phone. I freaking cracked it today. Oh my God. Anyways, I forgot to show you guys the hotel room. I apologize for the lighting. We do have like really yellow ass lighting. This hotel is one of the oldest hotels on like the older side of Las Vegas, because that's where we're staying at. We're not staying on the direct strip. It's really small, but it's really cute. Let me show you guys. It's really small, like it's perfect for 2 people. The TV's right there, and then there's like a closet, and then the restroom, and then the view outside is like literally we have while we were outside, it's literally our view outside. The stage is right there. But yeah, that is our room and a shower. Take these bad boys off because it's time for them. It's time for them to come off. I'll pick up the camera tomorrow. Good night.